What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about investing in silver and also gold, and whether or not I consider physical precious metals to be an investment. But really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. Link will be in the description. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. And if you want to help support the channel by getting some DYDSS merchandise, of course we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies which are up for grabs, along with 3 brand new designs. The 3/9's fine, the 4/9's fine, and the 90% t-shirts and hoodies available in black, white, gray, red, blue, and pink. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance, it's more than appreciated. But today I want to talk about investing in silver and gold. I get a lot of comments from a lot of different people saying that they're investing in silver and gold by picking up coins, rounds, and bars. And I wanted to talk about this because I thought that it would make for an interesting video. I've talked about it very few times in the past, but I personally, right off the bat, I personally do not consider physical precious metals, coins, rounds, and bars, I do not consider them to be an investment. I will explain why throughout the course of this video. If you agree with me, that's cool. If you disagree with me, that's fine. I don't consider them to be investments due to the fact that I believe an investment is 3 parts. Number 1, spending money. Number 2, risking losing the money that you spent. And number 3, hoping to make a bunch of money off the money that you spent. Precious metals, I don't think fall into any of those categories. Silver and gold, I guess you could also say platinum, palladium, rhodium as well, but we're talking about silver and gold, mostly silver. When it comes to silver, when I pick up a coin, I don't see that as spending money. That's not a purchase in my eyes. I did not buy anything. The coin was not bought. The way I see it, I converted my dollars into it. Because the silver, at the end of the day, is money. How could I spend my money on money? How could I buy money? How could I purchase money? The money's still right there. So no money was spent. I traded currency for some silver. So that's countering step 1, which is the spending money. Step 2 for an investment, in my opinion, from my perspective at least, would be risking losing all that money. Silver will remain in my possession. It will not be lost unless I somehow figure out a way to misplace it. Unless I lose my silver, I did not lose my money. If it's still in my possession, it's still in my possession, it's still there. I still have it, I did not lose it, I did not give it away, I did not trade it, I did not have it stolen from me, it's still right there. So how is it even remotely possible to lose money when your money has not gone anywhere? It's sitting right in front of you, it's sitting in your safe, you're holding it in your hand, it's still right there. If you want to argue that spot price dropped down a little bit, if you want to argue that market value isn't where it was, that would be a remark made by somebody of the fiat mindset. Somebody who's still dollar bill currency, fiat, glorified IOU focused. Silver, the way I do things, can't be lost. I don't put it anywhere where I don't remember. I don't leave it in other people's possessions to hold on to it for me and keep it safe, keep it protected. No. I do that on my own. That was countering step 2. And now as for 3, making money or hoping to make money. Silver, the way I do it, I am not in silver or gold to make money. I'm in silver and gold to save my money for the long term. I am not necessarily looking for profits. I am not necessarily looking for gains. It's cool, it's fun, it's interesting to watch the charts, similar to the stock market, go up and down and see what's trending, what's going this way, what's going that way. Yeah, it is fun to look at, but I'm in it to save money. I'm not over here with my fingers crossed hoping for silver to go to $100 an ounce. That way I can cash out and convert all my money back into currency. That would somewhat be counterproductive, in my opinion, from my perspective. Also important to remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing on this channel is financial advice. These are all just my thoughts, and I'm sharing them for entertainment purposes only, but also hoping to initiate a conversation and spark interest. So I'm curious, what are your thoughts? In addition to me not believing that physical silver and gold, coins, rounds, and bars, in addition to me believing that that is not an investment, I do believe you can invest in silver and gold. Of course, there is paper silver, there's paper gold, there are mining companies that are publicly traded on the stock market. I do believe those are investments, but I do not believe the 10-ounce silver sunshine bar in your safe is something that you invested in, per se. I will make one last point, and that is, I could somewhat agree with someone on the fact that it's could be viewed as an investment, but I wouldn't say that it's an investment like the ones that we just explained throughout the last 7 minutes of the video. You could argue that it's an investment in your future, it's an investment in yourself. You could argue that it's investing in the long run. It's investing in decades and decades and decades to come. But it's not something that I've ever seen, or at least not since I developed a little bit better of an understanding of precious metals and what they do, how they're used, why they're needed, what causes the spot price to go up and down, market value, and the difference between coins and rounds. When I first got started stacking, I didn't know the difference between a coin and a round. I went to a coin shop and I picked up a silver round, and I came home and I told my YouTube video that it was a coin. I didn't know. It was my first day. So at first I was also referring to it as an investment because I didn't know any better. But if you think about it, you could argue that it's an investment in your future, an investment in yourself, an investment in your family, potentially. Because it is, after all, a way of saving money. And the people who save their money are usually typically the ones who come out on top, whether it's saving their money or saving their currency. I respect people who do both. I do not respect people who burn through their earnings. Some people do not even know what precious metals are. Some people know what they are, but it's just not for them. I respect that. That's fine. But if they're saving their currency, if they're saving their fiat, they're a whole lot better off than the average person. So for that, I gotta respect it. But precious metals is a way of preserving your wealth for the long term, for the long run. It acts as a hedge against inflation. It's for the long, long, long run. It's for decades down the line. It's not for Friday night. It's for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now. But like I said, those are my thoughts. Those are my opinions. I'm curious, what are yours? If you agree with me, let me know. If you disagree with me, also let me know. And especially, let me know why you disagree with me. And if there's any points that I neglected to make in this video, feel free to add them in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Got a brand new video over there. Go check it out. Link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 1,000 subscribers. Help us out. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations. And of course, we have 3 new designs. The 3.9's fine, the 4.9's fine, and the 90% t-shirt and hoodie, available in black, white, gray, red, blue, and pink. Grab one if you want one. Link will be in the description. That's where you can find any and all merchandise. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. And once again, please head on down to the comments and let me know, what are your thoughts on today's video topic? Do you consider your silver and gold to be an investment per se? Maybe you do, because in addition to the physical precious metals, you invest in paper stocks. Maybe you invest in paper silver and gold, mining companies that are publicly traded on the stock market. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.